finally made it. That's fun. Hey, hold on. Who you? Who you? This is my rainforest, bruh.
Who you?
I'm telling you, who you?
Who you?
Who you? Hold on, I got something to say. Talking about rainforest. Talking about rainforest. I say talking about rainforest. Yeah, you see. I know it. Talking about rainforest. Talking about rainforest. Yeah, we talking about rainforest. Yeah. Welcome to the jungle. It's so exotic, mysterious. I'm gonna tell you all about it. Do you wanna learn about the animals? Snakes, bears, and all the other cannibals. We got python, macaws, mammals, insects, birds, and bees. Live under 50-foot trees. Hold on. What? Where? You say what? Where? For real. Oh, really? That's how you feel? Talking about rainforest. Talking about rainforest. I say talking about rainforest. Yeah, we talking. But first, talking about rainforest. Talking about rainforest. Yeah, we talking about rainforest. You going for real? Did y'all know 57% of rainforests are in South Africa? Latin America. Latin America. Oh my God, you messing me up.